When you're shopping for a lightweight travel trailer that doesn't feel like one, the Forest River Wildwood FSX should definitely be high on your list. With everything from compact bunkhouses to toy haulers and rear bath floor plans, this lineup honestly hits nearly every type of camper. You can even choose between a traditional aluminum exterior or an upgraded fiberglass look. Plus, there's a limited edition package for those who like the rigs with just a little extra attitude. The FSX is built for variety, value, and versatility. So let's step inside and see what really makes it stand out. The first impression is that it's bright, open, and welcoming. The blade-style LED lighting across the ceiling gives the interior a clean, modern glow. Overhead, most models include a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, which is a powerful setup for a smaller trailer. And if you go for one of the toy hauler models, you'll even get ducted AC, which is a rare find in this weight class. Heating is handled by a 20,000 BTU furnace, so even if your camping season stretches into chilly nights, you'll stay warm and comfortable. The furniture is soft, supportive, and built for relaxing. Most models include a sofa or theater seating across from the TV prep area, so you can add a screen and stream your favorite shows. Don't care for a TV? Not a problem at all. The panoramic windows are among the largest in their class, and they open wide to let in natural light and airflow, turning the trailer into a breezy, peaceful retreat. And for those who like to bring the tunes, many models include a waterproof Bluetooth speaker or an upgraded JBL sound system. And with multiple USB and USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin area, keeping your devices alive on the road is going to be absolutely effortless. The kitchen setup in the Wildwood FSX proves that small trailers can still deliver big functionality. The residential high-rise faucet and deep sink make washing produce, or yesterday's dishes, super easy. Cooking is handled by a 2-burner cooktop with a glass cover, while the toy hauler variants level up with a 3-burner range. Most layouts include a microwave, and some toy haulers even feature a convection oven for just a little extra flexibility in the kitchen. Now, storage is plentiful, with overhead cabinetry and full extension drawers that feel like they belong in a full-sized home. The black glass 12-volt refrigerator offers 10 cubic feet of cold storage in most FSX and the toy hauler models, while the more compact LE models include an efficient under-counter fridge. Everything in the kitchen feels thoughtfully arranged, efficient, stylish, and just ready for life on the road. Now, after a day of adventure, the bedroom gives you a real place to unwind. Most models include a queen-size bed with a hypoallergenic mattress, flanked by wardrobe closets for clothing and gear. Under the bed, you'll find extra storage space, and some layouts even come with built-in bins to help keep things organized. The space feels open and bright, yet private enough to catch a full night's sleep before your next day's adventures. And speaking of winding down, the bathroom doesn't skimp on comfort. The 36 by 24 inch shower pan is surprisingly large for a compact trailer, with a surround that includes built-in shelving for your essentials. A mirrored medicine cabinet gives you storage for personal items, and the on-demand tankless water heater ensures hot water never runs out, as long as you're hooked up to city water, that is. For off-grid camping, the FSX larger than average freshwater tank gives you a bit more breathing room in between refills. Step outside and the Wildwood FSX continues to impress. The power awning with LED lighting sets up with a single button and even has adjustable legs for water runoff. It's a small but clever touch. The exterior shower is perfect for rinsing off muddy boots, sandy feet, or dogs who thought rolling in the dirt was a great idea. Now up front, many models include an optional power tongue jack for effortless hitching, and the oversized baggage doors provide easy access to all of your exterior storage. You'll also find solar prep for both roof and side-mounted panels, along with a battery disconnect switch to help preserve power between trips. If you want to go even greener, you can add the 200-watt solar package with a 30-amp controller, which is perfect for boondockers. The nitrogen-filled tires hold pressure longer, while a full-size spare and backup camera prep keep you ready for the unexpected. If you're stepping up to the toy hauler models, get ready for even more capability, because many include 50-amp service, a ramp door patio kit, and LP Quick Connect for your outdoor grill. And for those who like a sleek, upgraded exterior, the Platinum package swaps the aluminum siding for smooth fiberglass walls. It adds a front windshield, solid entry steps, and an enhanced solar package. It's form, function, and flair all in one clean package. Now, underneath all that style is some serious construction. The Wildwood FSX is built on a powder-coated I-beam frame for long-term durability and strength. The walkable roof features a Superflex membrane, while the fiberglass insulated walls and 5/8-inch tongue and groove floor decking provide solid protection against heat and cold. If your model includes a slide out, you'll get a 13-ply laminated header beam and triple seal system to keep things tight and weatherproof. Now below it all, the enclosed underbelly accessibility system keeps the elements and critters where they belong, which of course is outside. For the toy haulers, Forest River takes things a step further with 84-inch interior height in the garage, full height steel floor supports every 24 inches, and tie downs rated for 1,500 pounds each. Add the reinforced floor structure and easy ramp approach angle, and you've got a setup ready to handle whatever toys you're hauling. Okay, finally, let's talk towing. So the Wildwood FSX lineup ranges from around 21 to nearly 30 feet or so depending on the model. Most of the 21-footers sit under 4,000 pounds dry, meaning you could easily tow them with a mid-size SUV, right? Like a Ford Explorer or Nissan Pathfinder, of course, depending on the configuration. The longer, heavier models come in under 5,000 pounds dry, putting them in range for light-duty pickups like a Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado, or of course any half-ton like a Ford F-150 or Chevy 1500. Now, for the toy haulers, weight varies quite a bit more dramatically. Some tip the scales around 5,000 pounds, while others climb into that 7,000, 8,000 pound range. That means you're going to need a truck with some more towing muscle, like a properly equipped Ram 1500 or Ford F-150, of course Silverado 1500 as well. Always confirm your vehicle's exact tow rating in your owner's manual, or you can just simply stop by a Camping World, where the professionals will check it for you and help match you to the perfect Wildwood FSX. Versatile, stylish, and just loaded with smart features, the Forest River Wildwood FSX proves that lightweight doesn't have to mean basic. Whether you're hauling gear, chasing trails, or just parking lakeside for the weekend, this trailer delivers comfort and capability without weighing you down.